Hey, boo boo. Boo 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 boo. Hey, boo boo. What you mean I'm late? I'm trying to get my makeup on. I'm getting things together, honey. Give me a minute. We're going to do our update. Just give me a second. Get some clothes on. Get my little lipstick on. See how nice? I look wonderful. All right, family, how is everybody doing? This is your garden buddy, Angel, with Hanging Out in Angel's Garden. But today, family, and Boo Boo's not here. My little Boo Boo said she don't do funerals. Because we're talking about disaster. We're talking about these wicked seeds, right? These bad seeds. You know, when we get up early, we get our hair comb, we get our little coffee ready. We're like, oh, we're going to go plant our seeds. And then weeks and weeks go by, and look at this. Do y'all see anything in here? Let's talk about these bad seeds, right? Because we talk about the beauty and, everything is growing. But we're not talking about that today, family. No. We're going to talk about this trick seed we've been buying, okay? Now, before I go any further, I'm a part of a couple of collabs, okay? I'm a part of Garden Tour Saturday. I'm a part of Survival Seed 2025. And I'm a part of Let's Share Our Success or Our Disaster Story. Today, I'm sharing my disaster story, okay, family? But I do have to tell you, since I've been doing my planting, now we're slowly getting into spring. I've been, doing my seeds. The best seeds I've gotten were from VC Family Homestead and from Rainbow Seed. Their seeds were amazing. I'll give you just a little, look at that. Beautiful seeds. Look. I'm like, Jack and the Beanstalk right now. They might pull me out my house with these amazing seeds. But I'm talking about these trick seeds, okay? Let me share with you what seeds I planted that nothing happened. Now, some of these look dry, and they should, because these been planted, a couple months back. I just hadn't had a chance to do my disaster video. So we're going to do it today. Now, this was supposed to be yellow watermelon, right? Look at that. Do you see any watermelon? Nothing. Okay. This was supposed to be some broccoli. Does y'all see any broccoli in there? If I was a farmer for the community, we all be starved up in here. Okay. Look at this. This is supposed to be pickling onion. I see a couple of dead leaves in there, but I don't see anything thriving. This was supposed to be the beet Detroit. And look at this. Look at this, family. This here was supposed to be romaine lettuce. I don't think I'll be having any salad anytime soon. Thank God my little, who we got over here? Hey, little Tommy. Thank God you don't eat salad, because we won't be having any salad. Look at that little doggy running around out there. All right, let's get back to business, family. Let's get back to business. All right, these were supposed to be the Lincoln English peas. Never got a pea out of this place. Not even a picky boo. This was supposed to be rhubarb. Nothing there. Have you guys planted any of the ones I'm mentioning that nothing happened? This was supposed to be thumb watermelon. I don't see nothing in there. This was supposed to be orange watermelon, and I was looking forward to that. This is supposed to be, this was one of my kumquats I put in here. Oh, I see something finally popped out. Wow. Well, that's we'll put them up here. Maybe we'll get some kumquats one day. Now, family, this here was supposed to be Man, this must have just been a done deal. We don't even have a name anymore. Now, these were hyssop. I tried to plant hyssop twice, the seeds. Nothing, family. So this is my disaster story. Fam, let's talk about it. Let's talk about it in the comments. Now, have you ever planted a lot of seeds and you get some of this, but then you get this stuff, this little trick seed? It's like, what's going on, family? What is going down? Well, my friend had given me some seeds from Temu, and she said, Angel, I want you to get me some tomatoes. I said, what? She said, yeah, these are from Temu. I want you to plant them. She bought me all these to do, all these to plant. But out of all those seeds from Temu, this is the only one. See? You see, these are the same planters because this was supposed to be for my friend. So we got the honey rock melon cantaloupe. See, that was the second. Look at that. Look at that. So February 2nd, these were all planted. Thank God for the date. And look at how pretty that one came. But what about all these other seeds? So this is proof. If I planted this, right, 2-2, and these also were 2-2. These were the ones I planted for my friend, all these here. Nothing except this one seed. So what's going on with these other seeds? Are these trick seeds? What's going on with the seeds, family? This is a disaster story, family. Because when you take your time to put the seeds in here and you're so excited, and family, you know how we do it every couple of days. We come running in, what we got? And you get this. What's going on? What is going on, family? But let me hear about your disaster stories in the comments with your seeds. So family, these are bad seeds. But how do you know if it's a bad seed? Until you plant it. So this is a disaster, family. If you want to join any of these collabs, I'm going to put the names in my description. And please join the collab. Let's talk about some of these disasters. I mean, we really have to get past some of this stuff because this can really put somebody out of business. This can really put somebody out of just, they could be discouraged, right? But thank God for VC Family, Homestead, and thank God for Rainbow Seed. Join the collab family because we're doing fat things. We're doing big things. But family, today I just wanted to share with you my disaster story. So family, please share in the comments. Have you had any problems with these same seeds? And I really want to grow some hyssop. Can you guys give me some, maybe some tips on how to get some hyssop going? Okay, family? Love you guys. And we will do another update another time. But today we're talking about disasters. All right. Thanks for watching and peace out.